Hi, my name is Megan and I'm a mobility specialist at METRO RTA. METRO proudly offers safe, reliable, cost-effective, and equitable public transportation options and mobility solutions in Summit County. As a mobility specialist, for safety and capacity purposes, I complete many passenger mobility device assessments. Safety is our top priority, and I'm here to show you today how to secure a mobility device on our new Gillig buses. When boarding the bus, please let the operator know to enable the Quantum wheelchair securement system. The system may be disabled until it is in use. Once on the bus, the passenger will line up and back your device onto the backboard in the securement area. Then simply press the interface button to activate the securement. The secure arms keep you and your wheelchair secure on the bus. There is an optional seat and shoulder belt the operator will offer. We recommend passengers use this seat belt for optimum safety. Passengers may also choose to transfer to a seat during transport. When you are coming to your stop, press the touch tape to let the operator know you need off at the next stop. Again, press the passenger interface button to release the securement arms of the Quantum system. Independence is very important, and this securement system allows passengers to not be dependent on bus operators. Quantum has effectively taken securement to a quicker and easy process by literally the touch of a button. Please note, securement options may differ on our buses and may not have the Quantum system. And your mobility device must fit certain criteria to be transport compliant. If you are using a mobility device like a wheelchair or scooter on the bus, please give us a call today to set up your mobility device assessment free of charge. If you have any questions, please call METRO Customer Care at 330-762-0341 or visit our website at www.akronmetro.org. Are you looking for more independence? Well, see you on the bus.